So after Main
So,
Street,
paano mo siya na-navigate na alam ko na kung kailan and ano?
it come to you. Kasi
Okay.
the moment that you dive in and you study a business, makikita mo yun eh. It will come to you naturally. Like makikita mo yun systematically, how is gonna move from this point coming to this point. Kasi nakikita mo yun eh. If you're going to watch from the outside on how they operated, makikita mo yung mapipick and choose mo of what works and it doesn't work eh.
Okay.
So you need to have that sharp mind na aralin talaga.
Yeah.
It's not gonna work. Ulitin ko ulit yung sinabi ko, it's not gonna work to copy-paste everything and to make it
Yeah.
your own. You have to design your own path. It doesn't matter kahit pa similar ang business mo, but you have to curate
Yeah.
as a path for you para you can call it your own.
Yeah.
Kasi you can never walk a path that is being developed by others. Kasi may mga
Gusto
bumps
ko
dyan na
yun,
nakatanim. You just don't know where it is. While in fact, if you're going to do it yourself, alam mo na malinis, alam mo na walang bomba, alam mo na walang ano, di ba? So,
Yeah.
you could definitely just move forward and just do it yourself, di ba? So,
Yes, ate.
that's what I did. After that, yung 6 months na contract ko, you know,
Yeah.
sabi ko, I'm ready to go back. Di ba? Kasi nakita ko yung ins and outs doon and then nakita ko on how students struggle,
Yeah.
on how staff struggles, you know, at that educational facility. Parang sabi ko,
Ang observant mo pa. Galing.
I've learned a lot. Sabi ko, so
Yeah.
nilagay ko yan sa back pocket ko.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do that on my back pocket. And then, nag-apply na ako sa developer naman this time. Kasi nasa properties pa rin ako, di ba? So,
Yeah.
I will go back with the not-for-profit. Ayoko na bumalik sa not-for-profit. Gusto ko na sa funded.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kasi I wanted to explore more. So, nag-apply ako sa developer, which is nagde-develop ng properties for seniors housing in Canada. I was hired as their housing manager naman dito. So,
Okay, yeah.
Evanston Grand Village, housing manager, ang job mo doon is to make sure that the village is full, community meeting with the residents, making sure that the residents meet their needs, and stuff like that. So, I
Yeah.
enjoyed that job kasi that's my forte eh. Marketing is my forte, you know,
Yeah.
sell everything, you know, brand everything and stuff like that. And I was so happy. And then they see, again, the potential in there. They had secured another property, they developed it, and they hired me as the executive director to do that. Or in this company, they call it the community manager. But then it's the executive director into
Wow.
this. So from groundbreaking of that property to the construction of this property to the first year of operation of this property, that is one of the biggest baby that I've ever built
Yeah.
in Canada. Yeah.
Ang galing.
Yeah. So that's my corporate.